Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a few project shares for you all today. I was trying to wrap up my beach theme, mermaid theme projects for Kscrafts. Let me start with this little tote right here. This was last year's summer tote. I turned that into a shaker. I already showed this all to you. But what is new is this little guy. So I took one of the clamshell die sets, and this is actually the one that I turned into a card. So you'll see that in the next project. But this one, I die cut the clamshells. I basically just use the base. Hold on. Let me show it to you. And so Kscraft has several die sets with the clamshells, and this one is about 5 inches across. So this is the one I used. I used this to make my pages and my cover. So I also used my cinch, my mini cinch, to punch the cards on the bottom. And these little discs are from Dollar Tree. So all the little ephemeras that were released for the month of June for Kscrafts, I needed a place to put them. So that's what I did. I used a Michael's paper pad. This is an old Michael's paper pad. I added one of the buckets, the sand buckets with the shovel. And the shovel can move. It's very interactive. So you can move it side to side, and it's a shaker. And so the inside opens up like this. I just added the shaker beach balls that I created, and then the last piece. And these are all removable. It's just one little tiny foam dot. So the next page, I added the little hats right here, these two little hats. There were 3 sizes, and I used one. I used the largest one on the tote bag. Okay, and so that's what I did with this one. And then this page, I added the 3 sun hats, and I decorated 2, and I left the 3rd one. I also took the negative from the starfish shaker die. I turned it into a paper clip, and this one is a tucked spot. You could add like pictures. Once the person receives this, takes all the ephemera out, they could turn this into a mini album for travel or for, summertime. So the next page, or the last page, I have the large shaker bucket or sand bucket. And again, the shovel is interactive, so you can move that around. So again, all of it is just attached with this little tiny pop dot, foam dot. It's easy to remove. And again, you could use this as a mini album. Now on the back, I just added my little sticker, holographic sticker there. I created that with Cricut. I think I did a video on that a while back. So yeah, there's my little mini embellishment book. So if you could look down and you can see that some of these are tuck spots and yeah, pockets. This one's actually a pocket. This is a tuck spot, and this is a tuck spot. Okay, so, and I thought it fit perfect into our tote. And this is going to be a prize giveaway for my channel at the end of June. So check it out. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and join the crafty family. Also hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load videos or when I go live here on my channel. So you must be subscribed in order to win. So yeah, stay tuned to the end so you can know how to enter or how to be a part of this giveaway. So that's the first project share. The next one is this one, and I've shared this a few times. There's the shell. That's the shell I made the mini embellishment book with. And then on the mermaid tail, I added some finishing touches. I just added a trim from Cele, the rosette. They were all made by, the rosette was from the Rosette Guru, and also the trim. But this was gifted to me by Cele. I die cut the mermaid out, and it came with the word mermazing. So I added that to the top of the rosette. Nice and simple. And then you open the closure here. Open that up. And this is full of embellishments also. So this is a mini embellishment book again. It could be used as an album once all the embellishments are removed. So here's the second mermaid, and then here is the other word die cut that comes with the die set. And literally I'm just tucking them in just like that, and it stays. And you've all seen these. I've already showed this in previous, but I wanted to show my bag toppers. I simply added the mermaids on there like that. Those are the mermaids I colored on one of the lives with Ebony. So that's about all that I wanted to do with those mermaid tails. And then on the back, here are the other die cut mermaids. So this one I did add to the snail, the sea snail shell. I added one of the mermaids to it with one of the stamped sentiments. And then on this one here, you got this mermaid here. You open this up and you got 4 more little mermaid die cuts in the inside. And you just take the clothespin and put it back on there. And to close it all back up, you just find the lobster clasp and close it back up. Except my fingers won't let me do it. Okay, so latch it back onto the jump ring, and this will go into the mermaid, oh, the seashell bag. I'm sorry, I keep saying mermaid, but I thought these went well together. And so this is how I'm putting it, and it'll be another prize for the giveaway. So yeah, remember, be subscribed and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out if you are interested in winning one of these lovely projects, summer theme projects. So this is going together as one, and if you haven't seen it before, this is the mermaid, not the mermaid, the seashell, oh my gosh, tote. Does not come with a handle, so mine, I added the little pearl handle here. And yeah, so that's another one, another giveaway. And then last but not least, this is the mermaid tail gift box. And this is what it looks like. I've already shared this before, and you can use it as a gift box or whatever. Probably put some candy in there, but I also created this wand, and I used one of the David Tutera dies that makes this giant rosette, but I cut mine down to 2 inches, so my rosette is like that big. And I use this mesh. I think this is from, I don't know, Hobby Lobby, maybe, I don't know, but there it is. I was looking for purple, but I don't have that. I have blue, so there you go. And I'm just going to add this into the gift box, just like so. And oh yeah, and the dies on here, the little jellyfish and the seaweed are from Kscraft from the June release this year. And this castle in the middle is from Kscraft Gdt 29. That is her sandcastle die set embellishments. The mermaids are a stamp and die set. I received these from the PHA meetup, so it's a combination. And then I put these little starfish on the bottom. I used a combination of E6000 and hot glue. hopefully it stays on. So that's what I got for this little giveaway. So again, like I said, I'll probably put some goodies in here inside the fishtail box or mermaid tail box, and that will be one of the giveaways. So again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join the Crafty family, and while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this and when I go live here on my channel. So again, stay tuned. I will be doing a giveaway here on my channel, and hopefully I can get these goodies out to some really deserving subbies that have been following me for so long and supporting this channel. So again, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.